Alright, so here we're going to be looking at Indian club exercises, which is all about articulating from the shoulder blade and is crucial for generating speed and power when using weapons. But before we get into that, we want to learn the crucial difference between rolling the shoulders and protracting or retracting them using a simple test you can do at home. Starting from a rolled shoulder position, you're going to place one hand on top of the other, and whilst the top hand presses down, you're going to attempt to lift the bottom hand by contracting at the shoulder. And straight away, you'll notice from this rolled shoulder position, it's going to feel extremely difficult. So we reset, and rather than rolling our shoulders forwards or rolling them inwards, we're going to focus on moving the shoulder straight forwards in a straight line to initiate the movement. And straight away, you should notice a massive jump in power. Now to do the opposite, we're going to start with our hands up here, and we're going to roll our shoulders forwards, and now your top hand is going to try and press the other hand down. Straight away, again, you should notice with a rolled shoulder position, it's going to be difficult. Whereas if you reset your shoulders and now focus on drawing the shoulders back in a straight line, you should notice a massive increase in ease and how easy it is to get a lot of power out of that movement. Both of those exercises can be practiced with a partner where they apply resistance whilst you practice your technique. That way you get some really good non-biased feedback about which technique is stronger and when you're making mistakes. So once you're familiar with that, we move on to club exercises. So other than avoiding rolling your shoulders, the other thing you want to avoid is lifting your shoulder and try to keep as relaxed as possible throughout the exercise. So we start by protracting to raise it and retracting to bring it back. Then we relax to one side, downwardly rotating the shoulder blade before protracting and retracting one more time. Altogether, it looks like this. And that's your basic Indian club exercise.